Hey guys, VK here. I want to share this information with you. I've found the right way to make money online, the right way to go online to make a lot of money. If you want to do this part-time or if you want to do this full-time, all I do is just referring people to my company, and they are paying me a lot of money once somebody joins the company through my link. Okay, if you want to join my team and do what I'm doing to earn this much money, I can let you in and get you started. This is a lot of money. If you want to join my team, you can make this much, and this is in less than 2 weeks. This is less than 2 weeks. I'm making this much money. If you want to join my team, like this video, share it, and comment info below, and I will get you started. Thank you.